no, like every time I say no to someone that I know is not for me, based on what he's shown me, I'm one step closer to my yes.
Yes. I love that
right?
analogy.
And God he doesn't go by time.
Right.
Like, right. Like
it's infinite.
Yeah. Our time and what we think is forever is over and over in the Bible, where people are following and faithful to God for years and years.
Right.
And they keep holding. I think the biggest thing is just having faith that, you know, and telling God. I mean, I don't know how many times I've told God, I'm ready for a spouse, but what if my spouse isn't ready? And that's what I have to tell myself.
It's all about timing.
Why would I want to rush something along and get involved with someone that maybe there's just this one thing that he hasn't surrendered yet.